For our next destination, it meant taking a long 16-hour bus journey, but it was worth every second of it. We spent a week in the beautiful city of Florianopolis, a small island surrounded by over 40 magnificent beaches and even more islands around it. We had more time to relax and enjoy the crystal clear waters, the sandy beaches and the hot sun.
We must never stop the way, birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
After hiking for about 40 minutes, we arrived at a deserted beach. Lots of people told us to go there, and now we understand why. If you climb up even higher, you'll experience even more mind-blowing views.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
The island was surrounded by local fishermen, so we had to buy some and cook something.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to share it with your friends and family. We also want to thank everyone who has been following us and supporting us from the start. If you are new to the channel, subscribe to see more videos of these kind.
The birds have just